guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So in today's video, I have this short human hair wig for you guys. Today's video is brought to you by Nadulahair. Shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look together, then just keep on watching. Okay, so they told me to take it out of the pack, shake it, and then turn it upside down and shake it. So I have my wig cap on. You guys already saw the cap construction. It's like a right side part, and we have this adjustable elastic band within the cap. Hopefully this is like an easy install. Then it does have that drawstring in the back. So I'm going to put the comb in the back and adjust the drawstring. Okay. So this is what it looks like just on my head. It's cute. I do feel like I need to tweeze the hairline a bit more. It needs to be tweezed a little bit more. So I'm gonna go through and tweeze the hairline. I have a tutorial on how to do that on my channel. Alright guys, so we are back and we have this installed, and this is way cuter than I was expecting. Historically, especially when I was like in my 20s, I didn't really like short hair. I wanted everything to be long. Everything needed to be long. But lately, it could just be my age now. I'm in my mid 30s. I like how I look in bobs. I look really good in bobs. Yeah, so this is, I'm gonna read the specs for you guys. So this is the Nadulahair 6x4 lace closure, ready to go water wave short wavy bob wig. And this is glueless. I'm pretty sure this is 220% density. I will have all the specs in the description box for you guys because I don't know what length this is. It's giving like 8 to 10 inches, but I'll have the exact length and everything in the description box for you guys. So this is really cute and this was very easy. So all I did was, you guys saw the process, all I did was shake it while it was upside down. I shook it, and then I just took my Shea Moisture Frizz-Free Curl Mousse here, and I put a little bit of that at the bottom and just scrunched the hair. I didn't even have to diffuse it, and it, you know, it already was kind of like, had that wavy look, but I just scrunched it with my hands, and that's it. I didn't really put it that much at the top, just a little bit around the parting space, and that's it. And as far as application, you can wear this glueless, but I felt like I wanted to wear mine adhered down. I'm wearing a temporary adhesive, and I'll have all the hair supplies that I use to get my wigs together in the description box. I always have them down in the description box, especially the ones that I use the most frequently. So to lay my wig down, I use the Frontal Queen Lace Melting Spray, and I use one of my makeup brushes just to have a more precise application, because this is very runny, and to spray it would get it everywhere, and it worked out great. It looks really, really good. They do a lot for you to make this like an easy beginner friendly install, but the hairline to me was very thick, so I went ahead and tweezed it, but it didn't require that much work to get this to look right. So I just tweezed and skipped on the hairline, and that was pretty much it. That was pretty much it. While I was doing my makeup, I did tint my lace with my Build and Blend foundation stick from Plaudio, and this is in the shade Mocha. So I used that on my lace, and then I put some powder in my part just to kind of wake it up and make it stand out more. And I used my L'Oreal True Match in color W7, which is more of a scalp color and not like my skin or my contour color, because this is lighter. And our scalps tend to be lighter than like our face. Like around the perimeter of my hairline, I went with my contour, and then the part I went with something lighter, and it all works well together. So I did a sunlight test for you guys. Today, there is no sun. It is 9 o'clock in the morning, 9:30, almost 10 o'clock in the morning, and it is a very dreary summer day. There is no sun. So I did a sunlight test. So it's low lighting, not a lot of direct sunlight, and you can see where my lace starts. So of course I always tell you guys to play around with how you want your lace to be, like finding the right color for you. I am always working in front of studio lights, so I try to make the wig look good for the camera, because this is where the review is going to be, and I want to present it well for the review. But if I was wearing this in real life, I would probably have my studio lights off and apply my wig in natural light, just so it would look the most natural when I go outside. So consider that. So you can see my lace in the sunlight test, but the wig itself still looks good. Overall, this is really, really cute. And let me see how much. I think this is 10 inches. And for this wig, with the specs that I have, it's about $125, which is super affordable for a human hair wig. And this is really cute. I feel like this is going to be a wig that a lot of people on my channel like. This is something that is not going to make you hot during the summertime. There's a lot of neck room. I feel like because of the ease of the curls, you don't have to worry about applying heat to it. This is going to be good for vacation. If you wanted something easy for vacation, this water wavy texture definitely gives beach hair. It's just on the short side, and I think that's really, really cute. And it is kind of a stacked look. So it's longer in the front and then shorter in the back. And I think it's a good buy, especially if you're somebody who doesn't want to, you know, spend too much money and you want something easy. This was very easy to apply, and I appreciate wigs like this, especially as a wig reviewer because this makes it easier on me. So this is a good look at the hairline. I did a little baby hair situation here. This is the wig's baby hair, and this baby hair down here is mine. And this is what it looks like over here, because this is a closure wig, so you will have like the wefts and everything of the wig on the sides because this is a closure wig. So I'm surprised that I like it so much, because just historically, like I said, I like longer wigs. So if you are interested in this wig from Nadulahair, you can head over to their website and purchase it there. I'll have all the specs for you guys in the description box. Shout out to you guys for tuning in. Please make sure that you subscribe, turn on your notifications, and drop me a comment down below. Talk to me in the comments. I really do appreciate that. And hype this video up as well. Shout out to Nadulahair for sponsoring today's video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.